Does it smell good?
It's that good.
Be careful, huh?
Okay, that's one. I tried this one.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does it smell good?
Let's put it here.
Yeah, put the lid on. Be careful, buddy.
What's that for?
Mmm. Smell good? Which one is your favorite?
No.
Yeah? Which one is that?
No.
Let me see.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh yeah, what color is that?
Green.
No, it's red.
The one is green.
Which one is green?
Yellow.
That one's blue. Does that smell good?
Yeah.
Let me see. Smell it.
I did it. I'm going to put it on.
You're putting a lid on?
That's Daddy.
Yeah, it's Daddy's camera.
Daddy's camera. And the apple juice. The apple juice.
Does it smell like apple juice?
There you go.
Thank you, buddy.
Apple juice.
Can you smell it? Smell it. Does it smell good?
Picture. And then my picture.
Yeah.
And then my picture.
Your face is dirty.
Face is dirty.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.